Now, the problem I have with Ron Pompey shit is this. Eventually, he takes this shit out and he cuts it. And when you cut a roast beef, blood shouldn't be squirting out that shit. And he's like, oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Ron Pompey takes this shit out and it's not done yet. And this motherfucker cut it.
That's white people. White people like their food.
Yeah, he's cutting it. And this shit is red as a motherfucking dead body, son. All right? And this motherfucker's cutting it and shit like, oh, look at that. And he'll put it right on the plate. And these motherfuckers in the audience like, oh yeah, that's beautiful. Because you white people are fucking vampires. Something's wrong with you motherfuckers. You're savages. You got the nerve to call niggas savages. Yo, you take any black person and you give them a burger. And you say, here nigga, eat this burger. If that nigga cut that burger and his blood squirting out that burger, that nigga like, get the fuck out of here with this shit, man. You trying to kill me, nigga? But white people, them motherfuckers will sit up there and they'll eat that shit rare. You know what I'm saying? Like them motherfuckers is werewolves or some shit. Get the fuck out of here with that shit, man.
Hey, if you like what you heard, go to tyrfreeman.com. We got more Brooklyn King Radio. Thank you for liking and thank you for sharing. And remember, folks, support free speech. Don't let them shut your mouths up. Think it ain't illegal yet. Speak your mind. Everyone else is doing it. Why not you? Let's go.